Hello everyone, and welcome to 5-Star Painting of Huntsville, Secrets of the Trade. Today I'm going to show you how to choose your paint. Whether it's for your first DIY or you're a seasoned pro, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics. How are you applying the paint? Are you brushing? Are you rolling? Or are you spraying? Many paints work well with all types of application process, but you'll want to make sure that the paint you're using is compatible with your application technique. Water versus oil-based paints. For DIY projects, water-based paint makes things easy and it's simple to clean up, has a low odor, and provides great coverage. Now, on the other hand, oil-based paint provides a durable and rich looking finish, but requires solvents for cleanup and has a strong odor. And also it takes longer to dry. So enamel paint is both water-based and oil-based, and is very durable and cures to a rock hard finish. And this type of paint is best used for kitchens, cabinets, and trim. Thanks for watching Secrets of the Trade with 5-Star Painting of Huntsville. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends those painting tricks and tips that your friends are gonna love and enjoy. Thanks again, and stay tuned for the next videos.